Hey guys, welcome to Gredic, and today we are going to be showing you how to make a Play-Doh slime. All you need is baking soda and shampoo. It doesn't really matter what shampoo you use. I'm using Ashy. And let's get started.
So yeah, we looked it up, and yeah, you cannot get it.
You can't get it where we live.
Yeah.
And we don't want to say where we live because it's like creepy, and then all the girl stalkers. Just kidding, nobody likes me, I'm lonely.
I'm so lonely.
Hit me up on Instagram.
No, don't.
But I'm lonely.
Can I even see the bowl? So I recommend putting yellow or red, because if you put this in,
any color will dye your hands. Every color will dye your hands. So I recommend just leaving it white.
But if you want to color it, you have to leave it out and let it dry for a little bit. Put it somewhere where it can dry. So yeah,
it's
starting to foam up.
Yeah. Whoa, that feels cool.
Hmm.
Did we do it wrong?
No, just need more of those.
Just pour them in.
I recommend getting a big bag of baking soda for this crap.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, it's starting to clump up. That's good. Okay, so I'll put some music in here so we can this is slime for you. We're kind of making it.
And we'll add some music right now.
Well, actually, it'll be way before this. I'll kind of skip through this a little bit. Whoa, is it working?
Nope.
Nope.
It didn't work.
It's kind of working. Okay, we are gonna put some food coloring in this, and I'll fast forward a little bit. Okay. And we'll do a little bit of commercial break, so if you put your food coloring in, you're gonna need about 2 drops. If you want to make a really cool color, you're gonna need green. 1, 2. Okay, just mix that around, and you'll soon get a few things. We'll show you how it looks like in the end. So if you want to do this, so start mixing it. Okay, we'll skip so we can show you how it looks like in the end. Color, a little bit of white and stuff in it. So we're kind of mixing it around a little bit more. But I would recommend putting a little bit more shampoo in it. It'll make it a little bit more stretchy. But if I were you, I'd test lotion, see if that'll work. So
Yeah, see, it's already dyeing my hands.
yeah, so I'd recommend not putting that stuff in it. So
that's it for today.
So
thank you for watching.
put
And
some more dry lotion to see if it can stretch. So thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Remember the giveaway and
Like and subscribe. Oh, let's tell you guys about that giveaway in a second. Hey guys, thanks for watching. This is Griddick. We are doing a giveaway for 3 fidget spinners, and you just need to subscribe and put I subscribe, like this video, and press and subscribe, and press the bell icon, and yeah, right by the subscribe button, so it will notify you when we put videos up. So thanks for watching.
peace.
This is Griddick here, and we are the Griddick brothers. Griddick brothers. Yeah. So thanks for watching, and see you later.